With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is, two blocks of mass small m and 3 times small m are connected by an inextensible string, and a string passes over a fixed pulley when is massless, which is massless and frictionless. A bullet of mass small m moving with a velocity u hits the hanging block of mass small m and gets exbedded in it. That means it penetrates. Find the height through which a block A runs after the collision. So this is our situation. Alright, we have been given a bullet, that is this. Let's suppose this is that bullet. So mass m, and it is moving up with the velocity u towards the block of mass small m, so that it can basically penetrate itself. So as soon as it penetrates, we have been said that this block basically moves up a little bit. This will move up a little bit, and we have to find what is the distance that it traveled. That means suppose it traveled h. Alright, let's suppose it traveled h, we have to find this value of h. Alright, so this is our question. So now, basically now we will be using the principle of linear momentum about this part, because we can see that clearly there is no external force acting. Alright, so since there is no external force acting, applying principle of linear momentum, that means initial momentum will be equals to final momentum. That will be m times 0 plus m times u is equals to 2m times v plus 0. So this will be basically gets cancelled. This is equals to 0, and m will get cancelled, and we will get v is equals to u divided by 2. Okay, so now let's understand this situation very carefully. Alright, so let's suppose this was that block initially of mass m. Alright, and this is that bullet small m, and mass is also of this block m. Alright, so now after the bullet hits with its own velocity, that is u, the block will move somewhat over here. So with the its total mass is now 2m. Alright, so the velocity with which it moves up, let's call that as it was v. Alright, so the velocity with which it moved up, let's call that v, and after some time definitely this block of 2m will come at rest. Let's call that v dash, and that will be equals to 0. Alright, also while it was moving up, the acceleration due to gravity will be minus g, right? Because of sign we have taken up as positive, down as negative. So yes, and the distance, definitely the distance that we traveled, we have taken as h. So we have to find the value of h. So we will be using v square is equals to u square. The v will be equals to 0, final velocity, because it is coming at rest. So 0 will be equals to u is equals to, we have found that will be u by 2. So it means u square divided by 4 plus 2 into minus g into h. So from here you can easily find the value of h. So u square divided by 4 will be equals to 2g times h, and the expression of h will be equals to u square divided by 8g. Alright, and this will be the distance that the ball traveled. That the block traveled. Alright, so this will be our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.